Okay, I'm gonna show you how to install and use the software. So first things first, if you go to the GitHub page, you click the release, and then this file right here, Cellular Automaton Generator.zip. You're gonna save this. I'm gonna put it on my desktop. Okay, come on, bro. Okay, here we go. Now I'm gonna extract this. It's self-contained in a file, so if you extract it, you don't have to worry about it littering your desktop with files. Now, first things first, you have to double-click the generate settings file and run this. And this will create these text files, series of text files. So what you do here is, this is an alphabet, it's the alphabet.txt. This you can define what types of cells you want to appear. This right here is the hexadecimal value for RGB value in hex for what color the cell will be when it's rendered in the image generator. The settings. You define like the size of the rules, the number of rows that will be in your cellular automaton, and the we'll get back with it. But okay, so now here we're going to map some arbitrary thing. We're going to put this right here, put that right there. And now, once you've defined your rules, you don't need to define the null because as it's set up right here in the settings, null RGB value is FFFFFF, so 6 Fs, and that is white as defined here. And what happens here with the set of the null RGB value is it just gets the from your alphabet the cell that has the matching RGB value and treats every null that it encounters as that cell. So that's what's going on there. So right here were all the nulls. You don't need to change these because they'll be treated as white. So it's not actually null, it's just it treats it as white. So anyways, we're going to generate this image. Oh shoot, we didn't do something. Oh yeah. If you have an error, it'll give you an error log. The error that we got here is we need to, before we can generate an image, we need to initiate our initial row. So what we do here in this row is this is our initial row, and you put in letters from your alphabet, or cells from your alphabet, and you populate this. You can do however big you want. The more you have in, like the bigger the width of your image is going to be. And same for this height. If you want to make the height bigger, like I can make this 5,000. It'll make the image 5,000 pixels tall. And now I'm going to generate this. And this is the output image that we've got from the generator. So this is the resulting cellular automaton, and pretty cool, right? Pretty cool. I think it's pretty cool. But that's that basically. There's one more thing you need to know about. Let's make this smaller. Let's make this 100. And let's make this smaller because we have that other file there, that generate all file, and that's one's a bit dangerous. So we're gonna make it a little bit smaller, just for safety, quickness. Okay. So when you generate all, what this will do is it will go in and it will generate every single combination of outputs that you could get. So like among all of them, there's white is one, like all white, and then there's like black all white, and then white black all white, and then black all white, and then white black all white, right? And it'll go through and it'll generate all of them. Given the number of characters in our alphabet and the number of rules we have, which is 3, or the rule size is 3, and knowing that so we have a total of 8 possible rules that can be mapped to a cell output, and if we run this now, the total number of possible rules that we can define is 256 different rules. So if we click generate all, I'm going to open this in a new window so we can see it in action as it's generating them. It will generate 256 cellular autonomous that all have unique rules given the settings we provided. So I'm going to do that. There we go. And you can look at them. This one's like all white. This is so kind of cool. There's one of them that I think is really cool looking. Let's see if I can find it. But where is it? This one like becomes like a 3D shape, which I thought was pretty neat. It's like a pyramid and pretty cool looking. This thing, I don't know what's going on here. Then you have this triangles. They go on forever. Pretty neato. I'm going to show some other demonstrations so I can make it a bit bigger so we can see the pattern continue on for longer. Let's make this 1000 and then we'll go to the rules. Nope, the row. Let's delete this. Wait. Okay. Let's make this like we're going to want this to be 2000 so it becomes 1000 wide. There's somewhere around there. Okay, I'm going to make this one black. Okay, and I'm going to generate all. So it's taking a bit longer to do now because there's a lot more that it's generating, but yeah, there we go. Like we get some bigger autonomous here. Oh, almost done here. Come on. This one's a little funky looking. What is this, the moon? What's going on here? Okay, so we're done.